going to be doing a haul, a small haul. Most of these things were actually things given to me by my sister and my mom. Like, my sister gave me a bunch of jeans that didn't fit her anymore that I'm gonna like cut and stuff. 3 things with my own money, so there you go. I just have to put that disclaimer out there. So for Easter, I got it in a different basket, but these are all the beauty products. I just basically wanted beauty products, and of course, we all get like chargers each holiday. Sister and my brother who steal everyone's chargers. This tanning stuff. This one is like, I'm probably gonna use this in the summer. It's like really dark. Not really dark, but it's like that color on the back. And then this one I'm probably gonna use in the spring, so that I just don't look as pale as I do. Next, I got this. I've been using this since the winter. It's really good, and it's Derma-E Purifying Daily Detox Scrub with activated charcoal, and it is a exfoliant facial. Oh no, this one is weird. Okay, so this isn't the one that I've been using, but this one I could still use daily, yeah. So this one is more of a scrub. The one that I have is like a black liquidy kind of. So that's the one that I've been using, and I can't wait to try out this one. Let me know if you want like a face routine video. And then I got this purifying 2-in-1 charcoal mask with the same stuff. And this again is all natural products. Here are all like the benefits on the back. If you want to know where you can get those, find it in the face section of Ulta. Next, I got this. This is like a 3-step hair replenishing thing, because when it comes to summer, I love to replenish my hair and make it super healthy. This is the shampoo. It's the first step, and it's a restoring plus bonding plex, so it like helps like the ends of your hair. I'm also gonna be cutting some of my hair, which I will do a video on because I do it by myself with Sophia on FaceTime. Shout out to you, Sophia. And then this is the step 2. This is the conditioner. This is the step 3. This is like a cream that you put on your hair once it's wet after you get out of the shower. See, I have on nails right now. I do these by myself. A tutorial a few weeks back on how I do my own nails at home. So these are Coffin, and obviously I file these down. These are really, really nice. Really nice quality for what you're paying for and what you get. These I've had on for almost like 2 weeks now. Better than salon acrylic, so I can't wait to try these out. These, you can either paint them or keep them natural, and I like the almond shape. Here's the glue that I get at my local like beauty shop, not like Ulta or something, because like if you buy nail glue from there, again, it'll fall off in one day. I go to like, there's a store near me, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a beauty supply store, and people from like hair salons and stuff go there to get their products. So I go there and I get all my nail stuff there. Okay, so next I'm going to do what I got, what I bought from the store. So I got this from PacSun. I also got other things, but I'm just gonna be showing this. This is what I got from PacSun. It's this cute rainbow top. It's online if you want to get it. I just looked at it last night. From Forever 21, I got this cute, kind of like not tight, but well-fitted dress. I would say it goes down to about a little bit past my knees. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this, but I'm definitely gonna wear this somewhere. This is something that I bought with my own money. So I decided to get some Jordans. These are so nice. I've worn these, that's why. I've tried to clean the bottom, but I need to get sneaker cleaner. They kind of have some grass stain on them. Thanks to my school, we had to go outside. Stupid. Here, these are so nice. Okay, so then my sister gave me a bunch of jeans. These have to be my favorite because I've been wanting white jeans. I'm going to distress these. So if you want to see me distress those, stay tuned because I think I'm going to do them in this video. Happy about this. So in like early 2000s when my mom first moved to this house, I think it was like 2000 or 2001 or something, she threw like this party here, and they had like this lady come with like jewelry and bags and stuff. It was like a jewelry bag party thing, and she was given this bag as like a raffle thing, and also because she hosted the party, she still has some stuff in here. It's some J-Lo perfume. I don't know how old this is because this bag has been sitting in her closet The thing about this bag, we don't really know if it's real or not, but she was like, you can have it. I'm like, okay, cool. I don't care if it's real or fake. Like, it's a nice bag. Quality is good, really nice, and it stores a lot, which is really good. If I want to take this on vacation, I could store my laptop in here. Like, look at that. If you want to pull up nice, I would not. I don't think I would wear this as a carry-on unless I was feeling bougie that day. Because this really doesn't hold that much, but it's really nice. Really, really nice. Honestly, this is a good, nice airport bag.